Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Cappy. So first we're going to get started with the eyes. So right in the center here, we're going to draw in a dot. And then we're going to leave a gap moving down underneath and drawing in another dot directly underneath. Now we're going to join these together. So starting from the center, we're going to curve this line all the way around, joining that together in the middle. And then again, we'll start from the center, replicating this over on the right-hand side. Now in the middle, on both sides, we're going to draw in a nice big oval for the center of the eyes. Moving over to the inside now, we're going to draw in our oval connecting from our inside line here. And then we're going to move right into the middle, drawing in another oval in the center. Now to draw in our highlight, right on the top, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Now let's move underneath. We're going to start over on the left-hand side, curving this line around and through towards the right. And then we're going to move down again, and we're just going to replicate that, drawing that at a similar size. Now coming underneath for the arms, we're going to curve this line in, out, and down. Just making sure that line connects on the top. And then from that point, we're going to bring this back around and in underneath. Let's close off the brim of the cap now. So starting on the side, we're going to curve this around and in towards our arm. Let's draw on the top of the hat now. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on the left. We'll do the same thing over on the right. And then we're just going to draw in the hair on the top. So we're going to come up on the left, curving this line out, around, and then back in at a point. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this out to the side. And then again from that point, curving this down, out, bringing that around underneath. Let's close this off from the corner now. So starting on the top, we're going to arch this line around, bending that in the corner, blending that back together on that line on the side. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. So we're going to bring this line over, blending that down, curving it in the corner. And then coming up again, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, lining that up at a similar height. Let's draw on the body. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line further over towards the right. And then starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line out, over, and up. Now from this point, we're going to draw in a wavy line, bringing this in, out, and then all the way back over towards our right arm. And then lastly, in the corner here, we're just going to curve this line out, bringing that back around, joining that together at a point. And that is it. That's how you draw Cappy. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.